Have you experienced issues sourcing the exact bulk timber you need? Wouldn't you like an alternative? Latham Direct Timber, LDT, is the answer to this problem. Here at LDT, we have a streamlined, direct timber service that imports the finest quality timber products from numerous countries around the world and distributes them directly to merchants, large joinery companies, manufacturing centers, and other bulk timber users. Simply make an inquiry for the specific timber products you need, and LDT will send you a number of pack tallies from which you can select a specific pack or packs, enabling you to pick the most appropriate materials for your requirements. Less waste, more accuracy, better efficiency. Covering the whole of the UK and Ireland, our packs are loaded directly from the quay to the lorry and then onto the customer, meaning speedy, economic delivery. We handle all the import paperwork for you. What's more, our authorized economic operator status at the port means we don't get bogged down in time-consuming admin and bureaucracy like many of our competitors. This way of direct trading enables us to build long-term relationships with our customers, leading to a better understanding of your needs and more two-way conversations. Our dedicated team of experienced professionals are here to make your life easier. When you pick up the phone, you can speak to the same member of our team every time, giving you access to decades of knowledge and a nationwide service. So if you want to buy your bulk tropical, temperate and European hardwoods, softwood clears and Woodex engineered wood, easier, faster, at better value from a single point of contact and in the pack sizes that you want, why not speak to Latham Direct Timber? Give us a call today.